Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Campbell, a teacher in early childhood and special education, and today I've got something fun and easy to help make your summer smoother. If you're feeling overwhelmed by pricey summer camps or screen time battles, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to create your own DIY summer adventure kit, a simple screen-free way to keep your preschooler learning and playing outdoors. So, what is Summer Camp Adventure Kit? It's a small box or tote filled with open-ended nature-based items that spark curiosity, learning. You can build one in just a few minutes using things you already have or can find for cheap or free. Here's what's in mine: magnifying glass, cheese shells, small rocks, and pine cones. A spray bottle, kids love it. Clip-on, bug jar, chalk, and measuring tape, a printed scavenger hunt. Learning through play. Each item encourages real learning. The measuring tape helps with early math. The spray bottle and shells boost fine motor skills. Collecting and sorting rocks teaches early science and classification. Bug jar, that's curiosity, biology, and even empathy. You're not just keeping them busy, you're building brains and bonding. How to use the kit. So Monday, nature hunt. Wednesday, water play. Friday, sand and shell science. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to like. And if you would like to add some books to your library, especially for the summer, you can go ahead and look for these books on Barnes & Nobles, Amazon, or wherever books are sold. You can order online. 3 Friends Living in a Country Garden, The Little City Girl Meets the Suburbs, and My Big Suitcase of Emotions. These are really great books to add to your library, and your toddler or your preschooler will love it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the